time to snake the drain. Time to snake the drain. I'm going to put these gloves on because I can. If I can't put gloves on, then I should not be doing this. All right, I've got a bucket, dishpan thing that I use as a bucket. Got that down there. Okay. Loosen you up, lefty-loosey. I'm thinking that this kitchen seems to have been redone in the 70s, maybe late 60s, I don't know. Come on, get off there. Get off there. Because it looks all 70s down here. All right, so what I do, because I don't have a fancy, one of those, I don't know, I don't have a fancy reel thingy for this, so I put it in a bucket. I put in that bucket right there. So it is easier to contain, less likely to attack me. Because, man, these things, they are like a snake. So this is the end. This is the end that you want to put in there. I gotta move the bucket back. Oh, stop. And you just kind of shove that in there. Now, that tightens it. We don't want that. We want it loose or tight. Oh my gosh. See, I can't remember. I don't remember. Now, you have to twirl it to... This is so much fun. Am I twirling it the right way? Okay, hold on. We're going to tighten that. So I think that's what you have to do. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to loosen it and pull the handle down. And we'll just kind of... I'm sure there's an easier, smoother way to do this, but I'm not smooth. I don't do this. You like that noise? Forgot. You should just sit down and get comfortable. I wonder, maybe I should pull it out really quick and see if I've got anything on there. It smells lovely. Okay, well, no, just a little dirtiness came popping out. All right, here we go. Go like that. I think I need the bucket on the other side of me. Oh, hold on. Oh, if you're not grunting, you're not doing it right. Okay? Just saying. Now, I don't know, don't understand why it keeps clogging. Because I am extremely picky, oh my gosh, about what I put down the drain. So this makes 0 sense whatsoever. Because I don't even put fat down the drain. I don't put crumbs down the drain. I scrape my plate before I rinse, before I put it in the dishwasher. I'm careful about hair. I have hair catchers. I have everything. Like, it makes 0 sense. Oh, this is such a workout. it's such a workout. I don't know why I randomly sing. I just want to get some of it, and then I'll pull it out and I'll go back in. And I have a 25-foot snake, so we'll just use the entire thing eventually. You hear it flopping around? I don't want to bring it back out and put it back in, but it's about that time probably. I know some people would just be like, do it all the way, but my concern is that whatever you've got in the end of it is just going to be shoved down. You're just pushing stuff. So you don't want to just push it all back down there and compact it further down. Oh. Yeah, back in the bucket. Back in the bucket. Oh. What a dirty job this is. What a dirty job this is. Okay, I think we're at, ew. We're at the end, and I got some on my arm. Ugh. Oh. Ew, stop. So you should wear like long sleeves. All right. What is in there? All right. I hope you guys are not seeing me. If you are, whatever. All right. Put that back in there. We're gonna put it like that. Maybe it'll help it curve. There we go. All right, here we go again. Find the fun. That sound. I know it's not funny, but it is. I don't know. Uh-oh. We're pretty much at the end. This is all that's left. See that? That's all that's left. Okay, well, not that a couple more inches will do any good, but Okay. That's it. That's all she wrote. All right. Let's see what we got going on. When I first bought the snake, I had no idea of how to do any of this. None. And I stupidly threw out the packaging. I did not look and try to figure out how to use it. And I had it for many years. Brand new. Never used it. I'm sure I bought it for a reason, but then I come here and it's been used 3 times. Oh. I dropped the paper towel. Put that in the bag. Dry my hand a bit. Going to need my last one. Last paper towel. Okay, it's not the last one I own, but the last one I grabbed. Okay, I think we're at the end. This is taking way longer than it should. There we go, we're at the end. And it really seems like it was a waste. Yeah, I didn't really bring anything else up. There is a little hair that's snuck in there, but all right, time to put it back together. So, I mean, I was going to say that was a waste of my time, but in reality, it was not. So if this happens to you, don't feel bad, because it's not just you. It's my hair, no my. That is so crazy. I know I did not have problems last time. I know I didn't. I know. Oh my God. I guess I better sit down and get comfortable. This could be a while. I know I did not struggle like this last time. I know I didn't. Like, oh my gosh. This is starting to get embarrassing. It's like, oh, there we go. Thank you. I was starting to get a little embarrassed. Like, okay, and then you are like that. Tighten. Oh gosh. Goshy golly. Well, all right, so make sure that's snug. That's how you snake a drain with the El Cheapo snake. And I store it in here. Because it helps. It just popped right on out. Helps keep it contained. I will leave it open when I start downstairs.